Good morning, everyone. This is Matt Timney, your Senior Web Administrator, and it's time for another training webinar, February 28th, on indoor linear strip light fixtures. So without further ado, let's get to it, and let's introduce our Product Management Associate for Indoor, Alana Rice. Alana?
Thanks, Matt. Today we're going to be covering our indoor linear strip light fixtures. These include our LSECO series, which is our economic series, and then I'll go over our LS series and our RS series. First is the LSECO series. As I said, that's kind of our economical product. It's low cost, but it's still great performance. The LSECO is meant to replace both 4-foot T8 and 8-foot T12 industrial strip lights. We sell this as two 4-foot fixtures, so it comes as a 2-pack for easy 8-foot product assembly. Please note that these LSECO products are non-dimmable. They are suitable for damp locations, and as I said, they come as a 2-pack to form an 8-foot fixture. For each 4-foot section of the LSECO, that produces around 2,000 lumens, so as the 2-pack is put together to form the 8-foot, that's 4,000 lumens. We're selling this at a great price right now, 4,000 lumens, DLC standard listed, even though they are eco products. We also have two accessories that are available for the LSECO series. We have our cord there and the U-bracket, which is used to connect the two 4-foot sections into the 8-foot section. The U-bracket is only required when connecting two fixtures for suspension mounting. If you'd like to surface mount the fixtures, the electrical connections required are already included in your 2-pack. You only need to purchase the U-bracket when you want to suspension mount two connected fixtures. Next, I'll go over the LS and the RS series. We're currently going through a transition with these. This is an ongoing product. Previously, we offered the 24-watt and the 36-watt. Moving forward, we're going from a DLC standard offering to a DLC premium offering. The 36-watt fixture will be upgraded to a 35-watt fixture. We'll be bringing in a 46-watt fixture as well. And there is no alternative to the 24-watt that we previously offered. The LS linear strip is useful in pretty much any application where linear lighting is needed. Its small size allows it to be used in storage and utility areas, shops, task lighting, and just general area lighting, or anywhere that you need linear lighting. These come with a 5-year limited warranty. They're universal voltage, 120 to 277 volt, and they can be surface, pendant, or stem mounted. And there is also an optional motion sensor available. This is new and our new upgrade to this line. As I said, the linear strip, it can be used to replace traditional fluorescent lighting in any place where linear strip applications are needed, including task lighting and general lighting. When compared to traditional lighting, the LS series has a couple of advantages. This linear strip LED fixture shows reduced wattages that allows for energy savings and monetary savings in the long term. So this is a really great investment. The LS series can help you achieve 30 to 50% drop in input wattage while still producing the same amount of lumens that you would expect from traditional lighting fixtures. The LS series has an L70 of 50,000 hours with minimal cost for labor and upkeep. The LS series is available in 5000K standard and 4000K is available upon request. So please contact MaxLite for more information if you require 4000K for your application. The linear strip can be surface, suspension, or stem mounted depending on your application. You can see the instruction manual for more mounting information, and some of the accessories that you would need for these mounting options are sold separately, so make sure you check with MaxLite to see what accessories you may need to purchase separately. And there is no power whip available for the linear strip. The LS series comes standard with a 0 to 10 volt dimming leads, which allows for dimming down to 10%. And there's no battery backup option available. However, we do have the motion sensors available in our new upgrade to this series, and that is an integrated bi-level motion sensor, and that's controllable using a remote control. But please note that you need to purchase the remote control separately. That's not included when you purchase the linear strip. Linear strips are UL classified for damp locations and have a CRI of 80. And the standard warranty is a 5-year limited warranty, and you can visit our website for more information. No parts of the LS strips are field replaceable, and we only offer one standard finish, which is white. Here you can see our entire offering for the LS series LED strip. We have the 35 watt and the 46 watt available in 5000K. As I said, 4000K is special order. We also have our model numbers listed here for the motion sensor options, which is our great new addition to this line. We also show the cable kit, which can be used for suspension mounting of the LS strip. The 35-watt LS fixture produces around 4,400 lumens, and the 46-watt fixture produces around 5,700 lumens. The fixture can be surface, pendant, and stem mounted, available in 5000K standard, 4000K special order, and these fixtures are DLC premium listed. Now moving on to the RS series LED strip. Basically, this is just a retrofit option that matches specs, everything for the LS series. So these two fixtures go hand in hand. Whether you need a new fixture or you're trying to replace an old fixture, you can use either the LS strip for new installations or the RS for retrofitting. The RS series replaces 4-foot and 8-foot fluorescent strips and industrial fixtures in under 2 minutes. This is one of the industry's fastest LED strip retrofit kits, and it fits most T8 and T12 fluorescent strips. For the RS series, 2 of the 4-foot units combine with a simple bracket to provide an 8-foot unit to retrofit the currently installed 8-foot T8 fluorescent fixture. The RS series comes with a 5-year limited warranty, 0 to 10 volt dimming standard down to 10%, universal voltage, and is suitable for damp locations. We also are offering the new motion sensor option for this RS series. The RS series is designed to replace traditional fluorescent lighting in a variety of industrial strip applications and is easily installed to replace any existing strips and industrial fixtures. The retrofit strip is lightweight and is simple to install, and it offers the same energy savings and high performance as a standard LED product with minimal cost. The retrofit kit is a low-cost solution for any retrofitting needs. As with the LS, the RS series also offers reduced input wattages and produces great lumen outputs. As you can see, the 35-watt produces around 4,500 lumens, and the 46-watt produces almost 6,000 lumens. The RS series has an L70 of 50,000 hours, as well as low maintenance costs when compared to traditional lighting. The RS series is available in 5000K standard, 4000K available on request, so make sure you reach out to MaxLite if you require 4000K for your application. When you purchase the retrofit strip, it comes with the bracket that is required to connect the 2 4-foot units to create the 8-foot retrofit. This RS series can be mounted to a pre-existing linear strip fixture, and it can be used in 4-foot, 8-foot, and continuous run applications. We show all this in the instruction manual, so you can check that out for more detail. There is no power whip available for the retrofit strip, but the retrofit strip can dim down to 10% with 0 to 10 volt dimming leads. There is also no battery backup option available for this retrofit. We recently started offering an integrated bi-level motion sensor for our RS series, and that is also controllable using the remote control, but that remote control is purchased separately. When connecting the RS units together, you can connect up to 5 units and use one motion sensor to control all 5 units. All you have to do is connect the dimming wires, and all fixtures will be controllable using the same remote control and only one sensor. Nothing on the RS series is field replaceable, and the retrofit strip comes in only one finish, which is white. Here you can see all of our model numbers for the RS series linear strip in the 35-watt and the 46-watt, both 5000K standard. Also, we offer the motion sensor option here, which is a great addition to our line. Here are some of the specs for the RS series. You can see that the 35-watt fixture produces around 4,500 lumens, and the 46-watt fixture produces almost 6,000 lumens. The RS series is available in 5000K, 4000K special order, retrofits into current linear fixtures, and is DLC premium listed. The RS series LED strip flyer is available, and the link is listed below. This just shows that our RS series is an extremely fast installation process and can be installed in as little as 1 minute. Finally, here's a link to our RS series LED strip installation video that is available online and can show you exactly how to install our fixture and shows how easy the installation really is. Thank you.
Thank you, Alana. I just wanted to remind everybody about the MaxLite University. That's on our website. The MaxLite University Lighting Degree Program offers 3 comprehensive courses in lighting fundamentals. ranging from beginner to advanced learning, is free and eligible to the following continuing education units from the American Lighting Association: Lighting Fundamentals, Lighting Fundamentals Intermediate, and Lighting Fundamentals Advanced. So if you haven't earned your lighting degree, head over to www.maxliteuniversity.com. If anyone out there is not receiving our marketing materials via email, please head over to www.maxlite.com and subscribe. You should be updated on all the things that MaxLite has to offer. From the MaxLite Minute newsletter, product announcements, press releases, and webinars, subscribe to maxlite.com and receive all these. Besides just our website, I just wanted to remind everybody of MaxLite's social media presence. We have pages on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube that you can access to the top right-hand side of our website. You'll see the icons. That's it for another webinar. I want to thank you for attending. Please feel free to use this opportunity to ask any questions you may have about MaxLite or the products shown in this presentation.